Good morning. Now we will discuss two-dimensional transformation in computer graphics. Transformation in computer graphics basically means we can either change the size of the objects on the screen, or we can either change the position of some objects on the screen. So the whole process of changing the size or displacing an object on the screen is called transformation. Now we will do two-dimensional transformation. It is basically of two types. First is geometric transformation and second is coordinate transformation. So let's start with geometric transformation. Here the transformation is applied to each point of the object. In geometric transformation, we apply the transformation on each point of the object, like you can see in the diagram. In this diagram, P is an object having coordinate xy. If I want to change its size or if I want to displace it at some another distance, then this process is called geometric transformation, right? So in the figure, object is defined by the coordinates xy. If object is moved to new location, then its coordinates will be changed, and we can find out the new coordinates on the basis of the original coordinates, right? By applying translation, right? Translation or by applying transformation, right? So in the geometric transformation, first type of transformation is translation. An object is displaced a given distance and direction from its original position. In translation, an object is displaced at a given distance or given direction from its original position. You can see in the figure, P is an object and it is displaced to P dash, right? So earlier the object was at P point, now it is displaced to P dash points, right? So P is having coordinate xy. Suppose Tx is the translation parameter in x direction, means how much displacement we want in the x direction. Dy is the translation parameter in y direction, means how much displacement we want in the y direction. Then after applying the transformation, we can get the coordinates of P dash as x dash equals to x plus tx, means original value plus translation factor. Y dash equals to y plus dy, means original value plus translation factor. So we will get x dash and y dash from here, right? So next we will see, we can also write it as P dash can be obtained by P plus T, where T is the translation values, right? So in the matrix form, you can write it as x dash y dash equals to xy plus tx dy, or you can write it in the column form also, right? So let's understand this concept with an example. Suppose I am having a square ABCD having coordinates 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, right? I want to translate this square. So initially I am having a square having coordinates ABCD with values. By applying transformation of 1 unit, means Tx equals to 1, Ty equals to 1. There will be 1 unit displacement in both the directions. So A dash can be obtained as 0 plus 1 comma 0 plus 1, B dash equals to 1 plus 1 2 and 0 plus 1 1, C equals to 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 2 2, and D dash becomes 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 1 2. So earlier the square was at this position 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1, and after translation it will become like that 1 1, right, 2 1 2 2 and 1 2, right? So this is the translation of the square from figure A to figure B. So this is all about the translation. Thank you.